Last name Colquitt.
Oh yes, awesome. Is your +1 coming later?
He should be coming in just a moment.
Okay, awesome. I have a Jerry Johnson.
Yep,
right?
absolutely. Yep.
Perfect.
Okay, great. Yes, I am. Hi.
Emily.
Hi, Emily. Nice to meet you. Oh, how cute. Oh, my goodness. Beautiful.
Which I'm gonna take you to. Well, it's like a wall activation.
Okay.
It's all the crown, the crown.
Oh, yeah, okay.
They're all like
So cool. I love that. That is so fun. Oh my god. Now what is this again?
Freeform maki.
Freeform maki, and it's dairy free and blah blah blah.
Gluten free, yeah.
I'm gonna give me some red wine right quick. Oh, they put it in a lime. That's so cute. That is so cute. You like it? What is this? That was fun. We just got Lara bars. I might eat it tonight. What is it?
prosciutto and melon.
Prosciutto.
Prosciutto.
Yeah, no.
Okay.
Thanks. Prosciutto and melon. It's like pork and melon. That's Taraji P. Henson over there. What is she doing here? Hi. Oh, this is cute. Me and Bon are friends already. It's a thing. Yes. I'm dead. With the cute little natural curlies, honey. Yes. So beautiful. You too. Thank you. You are so adorable. Yeah, and you got your paint and shit.
You know, we out here doing whatever.
I honestly didn't feel like painting. That's the only reason I didn't do it. All right, come on, bro. We good, bro.
All right.
From the Chi-Town.
So we're supposed to close on this house next weekend, you guys. So we are being proactive and doing some home improvement or home reno shopping today with my dad since he's available. Why not? He's been really excited about all this and he has not been able to sit still. He just wants to get started. So we're just gonna go today and look at some floors and see what else they have also. Because we know for sure we want to do the floors before we move in. We don't even want to move in until that's done because it'll be kind of a hassle trying to do floors and live at the same time. So we're gonna try to get that done before we even move in, but we need to know what we want first. So we're gonna just do some shopping today to kind of get some general ideas. So here we are at Hobo's. Let's see what they got. I love it already. Look at these cool chairs. This would be so cool for Anne's room. Oh my goodness, how fun. Workbench.
Yes. Check it out, Anthony.
They got everything. Wow.
This is like a garage work type. These are area rugs. Like if you're looking for an area rug.
Oh man, yeah.
You know what I mean? So you just keep that in mind.
For sure. I like stuff like this, babe, for like maybe dining room.
Yeah.
You know? Okay, this is why we came, the flooring here. Oh man, there's so much to choose from. Super nice.
See how big this stuff is. See like y'all get ready to do the patio and whatnot. You want a nice floor on the patio. This is the kind of stuff you'll put down for that. This large of a tile because the substrate is concrete. It can't break.
Right.
I mean, it ain't got to look like that. I'm just saying. So you might want a light color.
And those are 99 cents each.
You might want to. See what I'm saying? You got this look. You know what I'm saying? You want the light color one out there?
Yeah. Ooh, the light would be real nice.
Yeah.
That would be real pretty. Or something that looks like stone.
Exactly. So this would be a very good one to put out there.
Yeah, this will be good for the patio.
Which would match up with the
real cute.
The look of stone of your kitchen.
Right.
Kitchen
exactly. I love that kitchen. I love the kitchens in the pictures. I'd be like, man,
what is this?
Look how modern that looks.
This is the newest stuff because they putting this in kitchens. They say 100% waterproof, no buckling, no swelling. What is this shit?
I've actually heard of this stuff. We pretty much already know we're going to be redoing the floors on the second floor of the house, and so we're trying to figure out which floors to buy for that. Getting jiggy with it.
You get real jiggy.
Anne's been chilling, just riding through the store like a big girl. So we pretty much found a few things. Definitely found a solution for our laundry area, because I'm trying to make that more like into like a mud room laundry area, kind of like a entry landing for the house on the side of the house. You guys will see it when I show it to you. But anyway, I think we found a good solution for that. And a bunch of other inspirational stuff. Prices look good, quality looks good. So we are making progress. Now we're gonna head over to Menards, because now we just got bit by the bug, so we gotta keep on doing it. Oh, and I think we also found the floors that we were looking for. So yeah. Yeah. Don't fall, Ann. Don't fall, stinky butt. Yeah, we going up the escalator. I didn't even know they had this. And then look, the guy's playing the piano like how they have at Mariano's. That's kind of cool. He wants to look at some shower heads for the bathroom. We just got done looking at the outdoor patio furniture and stuff. We got some ideas there. We're here because we're trying to get inspiration for what we want to change in the house, and also to get kind of a leg up on some of the things that we want to work on. So like as soon as we close, we can just get right in there and start making the updates and stuff, because we don't want to take too long, because we're not moving in until everything has been renovated, at least the big stuff. So that's why we're here. So we're not being thirsty, buying stuff before we close. We aren't buying anything yet. We're just kind of looking to see what we would get, so that when the time comes, we can just... Oh man, look at that one. Actually, Dad, this looks too technical. It doesn't look like it belongs in a bathroom. It looks like it belongs in like a hotel. Yeah, it's not aesthetically pleasing. So this is the stuff Anthony cares about. I don't really care about the shower head, because I spend approximately 7 minutes in the shower. But he actually takes a lot longer showers. Anthony's showers be more like 20 minutes. But to your defense, Anthony, I do feel like my showering is unusually short. But I just ain't got time. I don't be wanting to be in there all day. Okay, we're all done. Okay, y'all, so we came to Outriggers. Dad said he never been here, so we're gonna check it out. This is one of Anthony's favorite little restaurants. This is his little spot. He loves it. All right, you guys, we're headed out. Today is family reunion barbecue day. We're headed to Anthony's family reunion for his dad's side. I wanted to show you guys my outfit. This is like my summer look, like these loose fitting pants, like wide leg. I love these. We're here. Everyone is over there with the orange shirts. What?
Do you think we should park over there and just walk across the street?
Anthony, come on, hon. Say hey. And say hi.
You not see him.
Say hi. Aw, she's getting so sleepy. So it's a video, so. It's all right, say something.
We had to play against Tommy Bank. They took us
Go.
down here.
Gotta go high enough for both hands.
Wait, why is Cuzzo over here looking like Negan from The Walking Dead with his bat? Well, Randy said these came out yesterday. He had them for 2 weeks already. Plug. This is the tallest bun I've ever had. Like 5 inches. They rented a horse for riding. So cool. Him just hungry. So the barbecue is pretty much over and Ann has tapped out. Hey you guys, I have been a terrible vlogger today. I packed my camera with every intention on vlogging today, but I never pulled it out. It just got too real. It got too busy, too much going on. Didn't even get to pull the camera out. So what happened today? The day started early. Got up at like 6 o'clock, got Ann dressed, took her to school. We had to stop by Dunkin' Donuts to do this photo thing that I'm doing with the brand, so we did that. Then we went to the house to do our final walkthrough with our realtor. My dad came by, took some measurements, had some of our home remodeling vendors kind of come out and do some measurements as well so that we can start some of these renovations that we want to do. The main stuff is like the floors, and we're switching out the front door, the garage door. We're remodeling the main staircase and the foyer and blah, 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 blah. So there's all these different things that we want to personalize about the home. Like I told you guys, everything is in good shape, but you know, it's just certain things that we want to be a particular way. So we're just gonna remodel it. But we got lucky because a lot of the house is already remodeled and some of the stuff is acceptable, so we're gonna just go ahead and keep it. But some of the stuff is just not our style. My mom is just texting me like crazy right now. So anyway, right now I'm about to go pick up Ann from school because it's about that time. And then I think me and her are gonna run to the mall real quick to buy some outfits because I want to take some pictures with her on Saturday, so we made an appointment with JCPenney's. We haven't taken any professional pictures. Like all the photos we've taken have been like me just taking them of us. And so I'm like, let me let somebody else assume the burden of like snapping a good shot. And so we're just gonna do that on Saturday. So I'm gonna go and get us something to wear. We freaking closed on this house on Friday. So by the time you guys see this vlog, we will have already closed on the house. I'm going to to show you guys an empty house tour so you can see the house kind of pre-renovation. I was trying to get it up before Friday so you guys can kind of just see the house right in the moment that we close and you guys can like share in the excitement with us. But I didn't get a chance to film the house today. It was just way too much going on, and my dad had me like really involved with the measurements, and he had me putting everything in my phone, and it was just a lot of involvement on my part, so I didn't get a chance to properly vlog it. I am gonna vlog it for you guys. It's just not gonna be going live the day that we close. It would have been nice, but whatever, it'll just be a few days after. And then I'm absolutely gonna show you guys the finished renovations and when we get the house furnished and all that stuff. So, let me show y'all this cute little picture I took of Anne. This is for her passport application. Isn't it so cute? Girl, Walgreens were selling these photos for $15.99, and I know the post office does them for $15. I'm like, girl, to the buy. I have a camera, I have a tripod, and I have Photoshop. So what we did was just had her stand in her room against the wall. I took the photo on this camera that I'm vlogging on, and then I put it in Photoshop and sized it to the right size and made it nice and bright so that they could see her properly. And girl, cut out that 2x2 and I'm gonna mail that right on in, because the little poop is coming with me and Auntie Alex to England in October. So I have to get her passport now. Which reminds me, I need to get these flights right now.
Yo, one glass of Patron to smash in its own, and I dash right back to the pad where I zone. Got a stash collection, double packs that I own. When I break them out, sneakerhead.